In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stay a lot more organised here in Kittl by utilising folders. Now, whenever you go to start a new project here in Kittl, those projects are always going to show up here in your project section. But what we can do is actually create folders up here in the left-hand side and stay a lot more organised by putting all of these into specific folders. So let me show you how to do this. If we click on Add New Folder, it's going to create a new one. Then from here, we can name this whatever we want. For this example, I'm going to put YouTube. Now, if I want to put these designs into this folder, we simply hover over this little cog, then we click on Move to Folder. We can then choose the folder that we want to move to, click on Move Folder, and now that is done. So if we just go ahead and move all of these like so, we can also click on this little square icon and bulk move as well. So now if we look down here, we can click on Move to Folder, choose the folder, and then Move to Folder. Now, if we open this folder, we have all of these projects in that specific folder. Now, if we want to remove this from a folder, again, we click on the little cog. We can click on Move to Folder and choose a different one. Or if we click on there again and click on Remove from Folder and go back to Projects, we're going to have that back on the home page of your projects. So that's how you can stay a lot more organised here in Kittl and by utilising folders. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like and a subscribe, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.